All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is your homework for tonight. So I wanted to go over a few of these questions to make sure that you understood the basics of it. So it just asks you to factor the greatest common factor for each polynomial. Another way of thinking about that is what can you divide from each expression. So I'll go over the first few. So we have x cubed plus 7x squared. So I see that they both share an x, but even more so, their exponents, they both have at least two x's in their exponents. So I can divide each term by an x squared. So I have x squared, and then inside of my parentheses, I have x plus 7. And so that's all I would do. So you notice I subtracted these exponents because I divided them. I subtracted these exponents because I divided them, and I was left with x plus 7. All right, number 7. So we have 12 x to the 4th minus 8x squared. So maybe we should start with our x's since we just got done doing x's a second ago. So I can divide both of these by an x squared because I see they both have at least two x's. So I'm going to put x squared outside my parentheses. And then I see they can both be divided by 2. So I could start dividing them by 2. But I also see that they could be divided by 4. So I might as well just do it all at one time. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. And then I have 4 minus 2, so that would be x squared. Minus 8 divided by 4 would be 2. And I need my 4 on the outside. So 4x squared, parentheses, 3x squared minus 2. So you don't need to go any further from there for today. Number 8 is 20x to the 4th minus 8x squared. Okay, well we can, once again, the only thing that changed here is instead of 12, we have a 20. So it's basically the same exact thing. We divide out the 4x squared. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. And 8 divided by 4 is 2. And then I just have to put my x squared there. All right, and then number 9 is 32x to the 4th plus 2x cubed plus 8x squared. All right, so I'm going to start off by taking out my x squared. And then they can all be divided by 2. But that's as much as I can take out because this number right here is only a 2. So I can only take out a 2x squared. So this divided by 2x squared is going to leave me with 16x squared. And then I have to divide this one by 2x squared. So I'm left with a positive x. I'm going to divide this one by 2x squared. So I'm left with only a 4. And so this would be my answer. And that's as far as you need to go. Now, the rest of the homework is number 29 through 32. So it looks like it's just the same idea. It's just you have to take out some negatives. So make sure that you are conscious about taking out the negatives and see how you do. All right, good luck.